Hey everyone, so I'm in the bathroom. Shirtless, woo! Just got out of the shower. Listening to the script. It's called The Man Who Can't Be Moved, or yeah, The Man Who Can't Be Moved. So yeah. What are you doing? Him's always in here. He's always following me. I've got the sniffles. Whew. Shit fire! Sorry about that. Josh is in there playing Xbox. We ain't talked. His mom, stepdad came by. Oh, she must be on my mind. Crackhead. Anyways, so Josh is in there playing Xbox, and I'm in here in the bathroom just kind of showering. Toss my hair a little bit. This is not how I style it usually. This is just right out of the shower. What is it? What is it, Scotty White? I can't even talk. You know, I'm so over it today. I'm so fucking over it today. Oh no, one of my other lights went out on my above there. Now I got two out. Oh well. I don't know. There's been no discussion or anything. Fuck. I think I'm just gonna have to be further set and do it. You know, just do it. So let's walk out of the bathroom, because I don't want to sneeze anymore. I got two little Hagens on the bed, and the bed's dirty and not made, so I'm not going to show you. Let's walk outside and see if there's any light. Oh, wait a minute. You guys want to see in my... I've got a dirty kitchen right now, but you want to see in my... This is what I had in my pantry. I'm gonna sneeze again. Sorry about that. This is not mine. This is mine though. But yeah, these like bowl appetites, they're only like 300 calories and enough for a meal. These are good. And let's see. And we got soups and stuff, and I think my Progresso's in the back. Tuna, Quaker Oats. I got my sauce for my pasta and pasta shells. Yeah, and that's not mine either. So yeah. Can't see myself, sorry about that. Alright, let's walk outside. Talk for a second. I know it's ass-tacularly cold out here. Ooh, nipples froze. And not in focus. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Yep, nips are froze. Should put on a shirt. Anyways, so, yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to grow the set, you know. I mean, I've got one, but I'm gonna have to grow a bigger one, I guess. And just fucking do it. Just say, you know what? I mean, I'll help you pack and get you out, you know. It's time we need to go. I want him to find somewhere to go quick within the week. So yeah, I don't want any more discussion. There doesn't need to be any more discussion. It's, you know, it's over. And he knows it too. We haven't touched each other in 2 days. So not said I love you or kissed or anything, so, you know, right now he's just sitting here because he's content. So he's laying on the couch playing Xbox. Anyways, that's my crazy ass fucking rant today. I know you guys are probably tired of me. Oh, by the way, guys, if you want to follow me after day 365, you need to add my other channel. It's me, Simply Jesse. I'll put a link in the description box below on this video. That's where I will be after day 365. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do daily vlogs or if I'm going to do like 3 days a week, 4 days a week. We'll see when we get there. I haven't decided. What do you guys think? Let me know what you want to see from me. I know I'm a crazy ass southern boy. Have you heard enough from me yet? Alright guys, love you, peace, and I will see you tomorrow.